G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Bit of Obsidian Flames today. Alright, let's crack into it. Hope you guys are having a safe holiday so far. All matching arts. Is that Round Room or whatever his name is? Varuma or something? Okay. I'm feeling water for some reason.
Fighting.
Fire. Okay. What are we going to get? Is there a Charizard hiding in this one? A chance in every pack. Flamingo. Remember guys, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Oh, that's cool. And ooh.
Ice QEX.
Oh, nice. Alright guys, remember to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video.